How to increase Tabby card limit. So to increase your Tabby card limit, you'll need to check for an increase limit option within the Tabby app. So first things first is check for the increase limit option. By going to the app, navigate to the money tab, and then go to the card and look for an option to increase your limit. Then you want to request a limit increase. So if it's available, if the option is present, just simply tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep in mind that the limit increases are not guaranteed and are based on your purchase history and usage patterns as well. Then you want to request a temporary 72-hour increase. So if a permanent increase is not available, then you'll need to see the option for a permanent increase by going to the Money tab, Tabby Card, and Shop in Stores. Then request the desired limit. Then lastly is to improve your chances for a future increase. So you need to be consistent and timely with the payments. Make sure to pay your bills. Then you want to be responsible with the usage. Keep your account details up to date and avoid overspending. Then you want to have regular reviews. And that's how you can basically increase your Tabby card limit.